guys, it's Ariel Fox and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel also, please subscribe and follow my videos and go and check out some of my others as well. I do more like this, and if this isn't your cup of tea, I do a wide range of all sorts of different videos, so you might find something that is. So for today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. I've done one of these before, so also if you want to go and see that one, go check it out. I've got a box from a site called odear.com and I've also got a box from Etsy. The Etsy one is themed on sort of beauty sort of stuff and craft. I'm not sure, I can't remember, it's been a while since I ordered, but I think that's what it is. And then the one from odear.com is anything that could be on their website. This is my dog, who is jingling about and getting in the way while I'm trying to film. He loves being held like a baby with his little chest rubbed. That is his favourite thing ever, so he'd stay like this for ages, falling asleep by rubbing his chest. So, the first thing I'm going to open is this, which is kind of open because I started to open it and then realised I'm going to save it for this as well. This is a free notebook that came with my odear.com order. So I'm just going to open it up and show you. I haven't seen it yet, so it's going to be a surprise for me. Just know that it's a notebook because it's said on the website. So let's have a look in here. There's a really cute card there. This is my notebook. It's quite plain. I think it's supposed to be printed on the inside. That's what they said in the description. So let's have a little look inside. Do you want to look inside? He wants to have a look inside too. He's excited. Inside, you can see it's got cute little pretty flowers, and then it has this book belongs to, so you can put your name in there. And then it's just lined paper. And it also has the date at the top for your notes. Odear.com comes in this really fun little shoebox. So inside, it's all falling to bits, so hopefully it doesn't fall over the floor. Straight away, it looks like there's some sort of fun notebook, and then there's loads of stuff underneath. So the first thing I've got is this. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little sketchbook. Yeah, it's a nice little sketchbook. I love to draw, so this is perfect. It's really pretty. I really love the pattern on it. It's really nice. Next, we have this. I literally don't know what this is. This looks like wrapping paper. It's got little elephants and people on them, and aeroplanes. Fun wrapping paper. Next up, on the same theme as the first thing, this is a notebook. I'm really loving this as well. It's by Urban Outfitters. I don't know whether they're a partner with Urban Outfitters. I don't really know how they work. Really nice, sort of fabric-y feel to it. Really cute. Very happy with that. Next, I don't know what this is. Oh, washi tape. Crayon. It's pretty cute. This will be really good for my Create This Book and Wreck This Journal as well. If you want to see anything to do with those, then drop me a comment below and let me know. Next up, what's this? Oh, next up is this little to-do list. Little dog on the bottom. Shame it's a bracky breed, but it's kind of cute still. They really do with a to-do list, so this is useful. There's also a pencil in here and a pen. It just says Le Pen. It's very bright. Oh, it's a bright orange pen. It's a bright orange pen. And a pink pencil that says nope. Except in here is a card. Let's go out and stare at our phones together. Kind of sums up people right now. I'm really sad that most people spend their lives staring into their phones. I try and avoid that as much as possible. And it looks like there's another card. So this is a little happy birthday lion card. It's pretty cute. I like the art. It's really cute art. There's this scary bear card. So it says, "It was just as I feared. Barry was back on the Sambuca." I don't know what these are. Oh, stickers! There's some really cute stickers of birdies. I like these. They're really cute. And I can put these in my Wreck This Journal and Create This Book as well. They're super cute. I like the owl. He's really cool. So I've got a You Should Text Him postcard. This I do really like. So these are cute little sticky notes, and they've got like a cool like marbly painted texture to them. They're really cute. I really need these for work, so I can take these to work and do some at work. They're super cute. There's another little notebook. This is lovely. This is a perfect size for taking out, and you can draw little sketches on it because the pages are clear. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to use this. So there's a little cup match for your cats. And it's got little pugs on doing, I think they're pugs. Speak no evil, see no evil, hear no evil, and smell no evil, because dogs are notorious for farting. Overall, I'm really happy with that box I just had. I've got some cute things that I can give away and some cute things that I'll keep myself. I've got to be quick because my battery's really low. So moving on very quickly to the second one. This one is the Etsy one. This is from a company called Fluffy Bees Gifts. This is the first look inside, and we're going to put our hand in and pull some stuff out. So it looks like there's one of those shower scrubs. I don't know what these are called. Are they loofahs? This is what they're called. They're called loofahs. And next up is some Soap and Glory body butter. I really like this body butter. It smells really yummy. Does this smell? It's just nice. Yeah, it smells lovely. That is a foundation brush, which is good. I can put that in my new brush bag that I got on my birthday. And this is cute. Next up is a Studio London Strobing crayon. I presume it's some sort of highlighter. And it's got the Leaping Bunny on the back, which is good, which means that it's cruelty free. And next in here is a Yankee candle wax melt. Yummy, I love those. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like fresh fields. It is Madagascan orchard flavoured. Except, I don't know what this is. Is this? I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is, can you let me know? Is it like a chicken fillet or something for your bra? There's only one of them. I literally don't know what this is. It's really squishy. Next up is a nail file. Perfect. I actually need one of these. These are really good. Next up, without peeking in the box, is a peel off face mask. This is a bit of a shame. I'm allergic to these ones, so I'm going to have to give this one away to someone else. I think that's it. Yeah. So lastly, there's something cute in here. I want to know what's in here. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh, this is really cute. So this is a little pineapple necklace. This is the pineapple necklace. This is super cute. This box was really cheap. I think it was only like £15, which is really good for all the stuff that's come in here. I'm really happy with all the stuff. Apart from that weird gel thing, I don't know what that is. It looks like the thing you put in your bra, but I don't think it is. But that is it. That is all my products unboxed. Still talking quick. I want to get this done before the battery goes. I'm really happy with what I've got. I think the necklace in the second box was really, really cute, and the Yankee candle, and yeah, most of it was really cute actually, apart from this because I'm allergic. I'd love this if I wasn't. Please let me know, drop me a comment below, let me know which your favourite item was, and also if you have any questions for me like in any of my videos, please drop me a comment. I'll get back to you straight away. I respond pretty quickly. If you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. Also, I have posted other mystery box videos. I'll attach one to the end so you can see that one. That one is more crazy if you want something more crazy. Or if you want to see my birthday haul video and see all the fun stuff I got for my birthday, then you can click on that. I'll put that at the end too. And thanks again for watching my video. Goodbye!